Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So let's solve this problem related to arrays, and it's an easy problem. So let's quickly solve this. So the problem is you are given array of integers nums, right? And you are given a target. You need to find out two elements in that array which can sum together to form target. Okay. Now some of the things that we can note here is this has exactly one solution, right? And the other thing is, if you see this array, right, 2 7 11 15, it's pretty much sorted. But if you see 3 2 4, it's not sorted. So the idea here is arrays are not sorted. You need to find out two numbers and the sum of those numbers should be equal to target. We need to solve this problem, and one of the solutions that I can quickly think of is, if I sort this array, I can use the two pointer approach. I'll start from the starting and the end, and I'll add those two numbers if those are greater than the target. So if the sum of the first and the last elements of the array, if it is greater than the target, then I will do the end pointer. I will decrement the end pointer, right? Because I want less sum. And if the sum of the first and the last elements of the array, if it is less than target, then I will increment my start pointer. In this way, I'll keep on incrementing, adjusting as and when I am not getting the sum according to the sum I am getting. And once I get the solution, I can simply return the indices. So this solution is what I'm doing is I'm sorting in n log n, and then I am searching once, which is n, but eventually the answer would be in n log n time complexity. So that's not much efficient. We can do it in order of n as well. So the idea here is, if I am at a particular element and I am able to search, is there any pair possible? Like if I am at 2, if there is a possibility that I can find out if there is a 7 in the array or not while being at 2 only, then it can really help me. We can do it in big O of n complexity as well. If I am at a particular element in the array, how can I find out in just order of 1, because I don't want more complexity? How I can find out in order of 1 that is there any corresponding pair present in the array which can sum to the target? So to get an element in order of 1, we use hash maps. So hash map is a very good data structure that we can use here. Okay, so let's solve this problem. We need to create a hash map, and it should be okay, integer comma integer, right? Okay, now let's see one thing. The return type is actually an integer array, and if you see, we exactly have one solution, and the solution would be the two indices. So that means the the answer would always be an array of size 2. So we'll create that answer, and answer is equal to new int 2, always size 2. The next thing we have to do is we have to iterate through the array. I is less than plus plus. Now at any point of time, I need to find out if hash map has target minus the current value. For example, if I am at 2, I need to find out if this array has 9 minus 2, which is 7. So if hm dot contains key target, right, minus the current element, which is nums at I. So if this is present, then I have to do something. If it is absent, then I have to do something. So if it is present, I got my answer. So answer at 0 would be equal to I, and answer at 1 would be equal to, I have to get the index of that element. So that would be hm dot get. We have to use this same thing, target minus nums. Else we have to put the current element in the hash map. So hm dot put. How I am putting it? The element first and then the index, which is I. Okay, and here when you are using the element, this element is actually getting the index, right? So I got both the index here. In this case, I also, as well as I am finding out from the hash map the corresponding index. So this would be my answer. And yes, at last we just need to return the answer. You can submit this question and it would be accepted. This was a simple question, but definitely this is a good problem in terms of interviews, because here you might be asked to talk about the sorting technique, and then through this hash map technique, here you are definitely using a space, but at the same time it is reducing the complexity. So that's it regarding this video, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this question, you can ask it in the comments.